Hi, I'm Christine Bussière from the BGM Real Estate team. Welcome to 101 East Park in the community of Blackburn, Hamlet. This is the perfect family home. Please come in, let me show it to you. As you come into the house, you will be facing a large foyer leading to the main floor family room that has beautiful garden door overlooking the backyard. 4 steps up is the L-shaped open concept living room and dining room. The kitchen is bright and airy and feature a nice and water side-by-side refrigerator, a good dishwasher, oven, and built-in hood fan and microwave combined. Above the sink is a large window overlooking the backyard. Originally a 4-bedroom home, this house has been changed to accommodate a main floor laundry and 3-bedroom. The bathroom has been enlarged and renovated completely with a large tub for 2 and a walk-in shower. In the basement level, you have a lovely office that could be used as a teenager's retreat, 4th bedroom, and a full 4-piece bathroom, freshly painted and completely renovated. This split level is a real good family home, especially designed for a growing family or family with teenagers. Thank you for visiting our listing at 101 East Park in Blackburn, Hamlet. If you would like a private visit, give us a call. We will be happy to show it to you. You can also come and see us on Facebook. Thank you.